Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install unable how to fix unable to install Scarlet Integrity on iOS. So it's actually pretty simple. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so this will work for any application, not just this one. So what you're gonna have to do guys is just go to settings and scroll down until you see screen time, and here just scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. So just click on it and then just toggle this on, and here you just have to allow everything, and this will like okay, so once you have toggled it, you just have to go to allowed apps and features and scroll down and make sure Safari is toggled on. This will tell your phone to verify all these applications you download from Safari that are not from iOS App Store. So yeah guys, this will solve your problem. This will work for any application you download from Safari for your iPhone. So this is how you do it guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.